It's always people and light that interest me. And when I walk down the street, it's like, it's the light that I see. It's not some funny thing. It's if there's like a reflection, a sparkle, that's what I see and that's what I shoot. Pictures happen everywhere. For example, when we walk around the workshops, the only direction we have is the next good coffee place. And then we did a zigzag there, and there's always stuff happening. When I look at the winning photographs in competitions when I judge, it's always photographs that just happened. It's never somebody who planned something and set it up. It's somebody who just had a camera with them and something happened and they just caught that moment. When I have something where it's timeless, it could be 1950, it could be 1930 or 2040, nobody can really tell and it doesn't really matter. That's a good photograph. When I started doing workshops, I wanted to tell people all the basics they had to know about photography so they could do it by themselves. But then often when we were done with the workshop, they said, that was great, let's do it next year. I was like, do it next year, why you want to do it next year? Because I just taught you everything. So it took me a while to realize that it's not so much teaching technical stuff, but it's the inspiration. Being with other photographers and seeing how I do and what I have to say about it that inspires. Maybe the most important thing that I try to teach people or inspire them to believe is that they have a unique viewpoint. Most people have this idea that somebody else can do this better, or they're pursuing to find out something that they don't know. But basically they know, because you have the viewpoint, and if you have a camera, you can record that viewpoint. And then people criticize themselves and they delete pictures and they think they're really bad at focusing or something like that. But what they fail to notice is that nobody else can do the same as you can do. That even if somebody tries to do the same, it's just going to be a copy. It's never going to be the same original viewpoint as you had. And I think as that confidence builds up and you see, wow, I can actually do something that some people like, then you also get the certainty that you don't have to try that hard. You can just walk around with a camera and take a photo here and there, and that's basically the simplicity of it. It's really important that camera is just a tool for your viewpoint. And for me, that's why I don't even look at other cameras, because there's like very few cameras that just have the basic controls of light that you need in a camera. Leica is the only one who has managed to keep it simple. I want to make people look beautiful in the photographs. I would never take a picture of somebody to show how ugly or stupid they are, or how wrong they are. I want to make them right and beautiful. That's one of the great things about being a photographer, that you can change people's viewpoint. you turn on the television and tell you what to think or how things look. But here, you can express something, you create something. I think a lot of people, if they turned off the television and just took out the camera instead, they would start making the world a more beautiful place, a more interesting place. You can't really decide when you leave in the morning or you go to the car if you're inspired. You might not feel inspired, you just take the camera anyways, because suddenly something happens that inspires you, and then you have to have the camera. My name is Thorsten Overgaard. I'm a Danish photographer. I shouldn't say photographer when I can't say it.